Ariyankuppam, a fast developing area by the river in Puducherry, now becomes a notable landmark for the finest abode. Here comes the closest river view, Srinivas Towers HAC Circle. Welcome to Srinivas Towers, a complex with unique design. Srinivas Towers HAC Circle makes a landmark with its 3 residential and 1 commercial block just 4 kilometers from Central Bus Stand and 2 kilometers from Veerapattanam Beach. It has an easy access from Kadalur Road and a proposed NH on the west. All the internal roads are laid with concrete tiles and the entire plot is secured within the high boundary wall. Sufficient car parking area at the basement assures protection for your vehicles from hazardous weather conditions. Four-number semi-automated lift set up with 6 passenger capacity and backed up by generator. Wide and luxuriant corridors with proper air passage leads you to the door of your dream. We know how you wish to pride on your home. That's why from the main door to back door, and from the flooring to ceiling, every inch of your home shows the excellence of elegance. The flooring, the paint on the walls, even the air within makes your bedroom very special. Here, we make better kitchen for you to make the best out of it. Bathrooms are fully furnished with non-slippery tiles and quality sanitary fittings. The color and texture of these buildings and the landscape all over support the beautiful ambience for a fine living. Skating ground for children to enjoy their leisure. See the children enjoying themselves at this park with all the play items exclusively for them. Other features are acupuncture walkways, basketball practice post, tiled jogging tracks. Relax and enjoy your evenings at this beautiful Elders Park. Srinivas Buildtech has always given the best to its customers. Here too the convenience and comfort are much taken care of, and needless to say about the quality. Now, this independent building that stands here is the clubhouse in 3 levels. A swimming pool that greets and beckons you to have all the fun of a weekend or a holiday by enjoying in this cool water. A gymnasium with sophisticated equipments is provided for you to stay fit and healthy. The ground floor serves as the health club with provisions for jacuzzi, change rooms, showers and steam bath. The spacious multi-purpose hall at the first floor holds convenience for any gatherings or social events. A roof garden with dining facility to share the joy of your small celebrations. The excellence of design in construction and the care taken in planning makes this land a heaven beneath the sky. When you feel for a good shopping, You have to go nowhere else but just walk a few steps within the plot and reach the commercial block. This building consists of a number of shops and office spaces with a good parking facility and an easy access from the main road. It's a rare design to have a residential complex and commercial complex together. In this building behind me, you can find a number of shops providing you with almost everything you need. Now you can enjoy your shopping at your own premises with the facilities of food court, movie theatre and many more. Good homes are never a miracle, but the results of wise thought. So, it's time to gear up your decision and make the choice of Srinivas Towers HAC Circle.